subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi has launched two new entry-level smartphones under A series globally called Redmi A2 and Redmi A2 Plus. Both of these devices looks quite identical, but it has some minor changes in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Redmi A2 Plus is slightly higher variant. Now talking about the specifications of the Redmi A2 Plus smartphone. The Redmi A2 Plus supports a 6.52-inch HD Plus display with a tall 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses one 8-megapixel main camera with f2.0 aperture along with the unspecified QVGA lens. Under the hood, the Redmi A2 Plus comes powered by MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU, and it packs with 2 or 3 GB of RAM that can be extended up to 2 GB by using internal storage, and it has 32 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 under Go edition, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10-watt charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro-USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.9 by 76.75 by 9.1mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the smartphone at the moment, but it is said to be priced around 120 euros. And it will be available in light blue, light green, and black color options. So what do you guys think of this Redmi A2 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
We'll be right back.